Just south of Prim along Interstate 15, thousands of mirrors rise from the desert floor. The Ivanpah solar electric generating system captures the power of the sun. But just beyond it, another kind of energy takes over. Welcome to the open expanse of the Ivanpah Dry Lake, where wind becomes motion and motion becomes speed. Each year, this remote stretch of desert transforms as pilots gather for the America's Landsailing Cup. With nothing but wind in their sails and miles of open terrain ahead, these land yachts glide and accelerate across the dry lake, powered by nature and guided by experience. Every gust tells a story, and every turn demands control. It's a balance of speed and precision, where the desert becomes both track and test. As the wind builds, so does the pace. Machines and pilots moving as one, timing each run, reading every shift while chasing the perfect line across the lake bed. At full stride, they slice across the surface, silent, fast, and relentless, a fusion of wind and motion in perfect harmony. Out here, there are no lanes, no limits, just wind, earth, and sky, and for those who chase it, the ride is unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more aerial explorations. Thanks for watching.